Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT R15 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, so let's do it, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now we have to tap on Advanced, and here we've got the About Phone, so let's enter. Now let's scroll down in order to find the build number, which is right here, and all you have to do is simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're a developer now. As you can see, we are in a developer mode, so we can go back, and right above the About Phone we've got developer options, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got some advanced options which we can customize. So for example, we can turn on to stay awake, so the screen will never sleep while charging. What's more, we can enable the night mode, so here we can decide if you'd like to leave it always off, always on, or based on the time of the day. What's more, we've got, for example, some Bluetooth options. We can show a pointer location, surface updates, transition animation scale. Actually, a lot of options which we can customize. So in order to turn on the feature, all you have to do is simply tap on the switcher right next to it. And as you can see, it is immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off just by tapping on it again. Of course, the same situation will be with other options. I know that you can see the option without the switcher, for example, like here in the window animation scale, but all you have to do is simply tap on it in order to open much more settings. So actually, that's all. If you are done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off by tapping on this switcher. As you can see, they are inactive, and after getting back, you can see that they simply disappeared. Of course, you can go back to the build number step, keep tapping, and activate them again. So actually, that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your CUBOT R15 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.